Let's try a little experiment. As we move one step closer to self-realization, give yourself permission to free your hands. Have nothing in your hand. Put down whatever you have. Good. Now allow yourself, uncross your legs. If your legs are crossed, uncross your legs. Allow yourself to hold your hands in front of your body so that they're palm up. Good. Now concentrate on your hands. Don't let them touch each other. Let them touch nothing but the air. Don't let them be on your lap. Take them off your lap. Let them just be in the air by themselves. Good. Good. Now focus on your hands. And look to see if you feel the energy in the air. When you feel, if you feel anything in the palm of your hand, just nod your head. There it is. It's right there in the room. Now allow your hands to face each other like this. And you'll feel that energy between your hands. Don't let your hands touch. Just let yourself feel the energy between your hands. It's a field of energy. You cannot see it. You cannot smell it. You cannot hear it. But you can feel it. How many of you can feel that energy right between your hands? Let yourself stay in touch with that energy. Now play with it. Play with it. Let yourself see how far apart your hands can go before you lose touch with it. I still feel it. I still feel it. I still feel it. Now, if you bring your hands together, you'll feel it with intensity. You'll feel the greater intensity as you bring your hands together. Don't let your hands touch. Just bring them together and feel the intensity. Say hello to your soul. You are holding your soul in the palm of your hand. Good. Now bring it into your heart. Just bring it in. And we say, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for demonstrating your presence in real terms, right here, right now. If I ever did not believe in the presence of life itself, I believe in it now. This is self-realization. Don't be surprised if a tear comes to your eyes. Don't be surprised if you feel a little emotion as you begin to have a real life experience of God. This is self-realization. It's right there in the air. We're not making this up. How many of you, with a gentle raising your hand, no big deal, just sweetly raise your hand, how many of you felt that energy in the air? Just raise your hand. That's 95% of you. Do you think we're all making this up? Or is this real? I promise you. The soul does not exist inside of you. I asked God, where is the soul? Where does the soul reside? In my heart? In my third eye? Where is the soul? And God said, oh, Neale, the soul is not inside of you. Your house, your body is not the container of your soul. Your soul is the container of your body. You have it the other way around. The soul envelops your body and is the container of your body. And it creates what you call in your language an aura. Now here's what's interesting. If my soul exists outside of my body, how far outside of my body does it exist? Where does it stop? Arm's length, the length of my arms, or a little further out, or a little further even out? Where does it stop? And where does your soul stop? Out here? Out there? Where do I end and you begin? Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Nowhere. There's nowhere that you end and I begin. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're all one. Oh my God. That is self-realization.
Njegova sporočila navdihujejo na najglobji ravni. Povabi jih v svoje življenje in se vključi v Nealovo spletno šolo samo-realizacije. Obišči nealdonaldwalsch-school.com